Hi everyone, this is Kingsley, Space IQ. So in today's episode of our YouTube series, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to create your YouTube thumbnail flyer for free without having to sign up for Microsoft 365. So you can use Copilot to be able to create your YouTube thumbnail without signing into Microsoft 365. And it's quite easy. So to do that, you need to get to this link. You're going to open up this browser, okay? So once you go through the link, it's going to open up this browser. And then all you just need to type is create a YouTube. Let's say I want to create a YouTube thumbnail, right? So I'll just say create a YouTube thumbnail flyer for the below caption. So this is mostly what I do. And I will just type Google Workspace migration to Microsoft 365. So this is how I want you to input the prompts, okay? Create a YouTube thumbnail flyer for the below caption. Then you're going to give space and then type Google Workspace migration to Microsoft 365. So apparently that is the caption that I want to use for my YouTube thumbnail, right? So I'll just click on submit message. It's going to generate the YouTube thumbnail flyer. All you just need to do is to just give it some time. It might take approximately 1 to 2 minutes, okay? So I'm going to pause the video and then we're going to come back right back once the thumbnail has been generated. Good. So you can see that the thumbnail has been generated using Copilot, which does not require any form of login information, just for free. Just copy and paste the link on your browser and then put in this prompt and it generates your flyer, right? So I'm just going to download the flyer right now. Let's see how it looks like. Beautiful. So you can see this is how you can be able to generate your YouTube thumbnail. And I hope this video is very informative and it helps someone out there. Thank you everyone, and looking forward to further sessions I'm going to be having with you guys. Cheers.